Hello, Delano here from Publishing Rebel, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of the Conversion Makeover series. And in this episode, I want to talk about 6 website design tips to make people stay on your website. Now, first impressions matter, especially when it comes to your website. And if visitors land on your site and are met with, confusion or frustration, they won't stick around long. A well designed website not only attracts visitors but keeps them engaged, making it more likely they'll convert into paying customers. In this video, I'll walk you through my redesign of Elite Aesthetics MedSpa's website, and you'll see, 6 suggestions and improvements that, can help to make people stay on your website more. So let's dive into the details, all right? First one, as I see here, is an unclear value proposition. Now, the website should immediately communicate the unique benefits and value of the services offered to capture visitor interest. Next is unoptimized and cluttered navigation. So we have them like everything cluttered up top here. Navigation should be intuitive and streamlined, allowing users to find key information quickly and effortlessly. And sometimes instead of having them loading an entire page, it's also good for them to be able to just quickly go to that information on the same page. It takes up less data, they don't have to be loading up anything or stuff like that. And then the call to action is not clear and prominent. Right here we have 2 different things that can happen from one button, and that can cause confusion. So you want to make sure that you have one main call to action, and then you can have a secondary call to action. Next is like we see some amount of like inconsistency with the visual elements like the fonts, the colors, and the imagery. All of that you want to make sure that it's cohesive to that way it will be easy for visitors to recognize the brand and build trust. All right, and we see some poor readability stuff, so that can be improved where the text can be more structured properly, and there will be appropriate spacing, font size, contrast, all of that to ensure reading that is much easier for all the users. Now, videos and images, they lack context. Visual content should be purposeful, complementing the text and enhancing the overall message rather than causing distractions. All right. Now, with all of that, this is a full design here, and those are the things that we've addressed or seen. We want to make sure you see all of that, right? We want to now show you the redesign, and then you see all of the things that we would improve on. All right, and here we go. All right, so now we have a clear and upfront value proposition. Visitors can quickly understand what makes this business unique and keeping them engaged and interested in learning more. And with the optimized navigation, we see we just put the bare minimum or the most essential stuff that people need up here. Again, you can have more because of the size. We can easily fit in 2 more menu items, and it's not a big deal. But just to show you that a more simplified menu is way better than if it's cluttered. All right. Then we have a clear and prominent call to action. We just choose the one, which is the most important thing that you would want, which is for people to book a time. All right, that's the most important thing. The secondary could be for them to buy a gift card, and all of that can be done on other pages. So you want the home page to just focus on that main call to action, so you can get more bookings from people just landing on your website or on this website. Now, we see right here with the redesign, there's consistent branding, there's a unified look and feel across the site, and this builds trust and it reinforces the brand's identity, making it more memorable. And the content is also easy to read, so with improved readability, and it ensures that visitors can easily consume information, keeping them on the site longer and reducing bounce rates. And then we have the images and all of that, they're contextual visuals. It enhances the understanding and it keeps visitors engaged by visually supporting the site's messaging. All right, so that's how you can see with everything here with the redesign, and how we put even like the gallery on the home page instead of having its own page to to make it easy for people to see everything that they need to see, all the call to actions in the right place for them to quickly do that thing that you want them to do. And we have it ending right here at the footer. All right, so let's go over everything, the 6 website design tips that will make people stay on your website more. All right, first, you want to clearly communicate your value proposition to capture attention right away. Next, you want to streamline your navigation for an intuitive user experience. You want to make your call to action clear and prominent to guide visitors toward the conversion. You don't want to have too much, as that will cause confusion, right? And if you want to have even like a second one, you want to make sure that it's designed as a secondary call to action. You want to ensure that the content is easy to read with proper spacing, font size, and contrast. You want to provide context with videos and images to enhance engagement and understanding so that people can take that call to action. All right. Now that makes us reach the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You found some light bulb moments. You've seen some ways that you can improve your existing website. And if you want expert help, you can always reach out to us. Check out our offer, apply, see if it's a fit, and we will help you to build a highly converting website that will help you to reach your business goals more consistently and efficiently. All right, Delano signing out. See you in the next episode of our Conversion Makeover series.